I just want to introduce the Fritz family. We have Arthur and we have Samantha. This was a very special experience for me because I helped your mom get into her home, and she started talking about you guys then. And I believe we actually met one time when she was looking. And so I don't know, what was it, about 3 years later? About 3 years later, here you are, at your own home. So it's definitely, I feel blessed to not only be, referred, but also, to, be in the family now.
Of course.
And so, RE/MAX and Military Mortgage Group would definitely like to thank you for just trusting us with this big purchase. And so we just want you to share a little bit about your experience and what made you want to be a homeowner, and tell us about your journey.
Well, initially, we weren't looking. The plan was always to buy at some point, but we weren't initially looking. Unfortunately, we were pushed into looking, given circumstances at our other living place, but it actually forced us to finally have to make the step because, of course, buying a house is really scary and daunting. We definitely weren't prepared. Credit wasn't where it needed to be. We didn't have enough in our savings. So we reached out to Constance, and she just really directed us on how to just go about this. She was really patient with us because it was really stressful at times, and she really just walked us through every process. She was very transparent with us, which we appreciated, and I feel like you really just gave us the confidence we needed to keep going on with the process, because it's easy to get discouraged and be like, you know what, I want to quit. And there was very many days where we wanted to quit, especially with the market and how aggressive it was. So this is a big accomplishment for us, but we definitely couldn't have done it without you and just walking us through that process. And not only that, I felt like you were just very caring about us and what our necessities were, and you weren't trying to get us into a situation, that into a house that we maybe couldn't afford. And I know sometimes there are realtors that, that do that. They kind of might push you that way, but definitely not something we felt ever with you. We called you and texted you all the time.
That's okay.
24
I'm
hours.
always here.
And she was always available. She got back to us as soon as she could. But we're super appreciative. You can't get rid of us. You are a part of the family now. So,
Same.
you're definitely in the Fritz family for sure. So we just really thank you, and we're just so grateful for you. And as happy as I am that the journey is complete, like we've gotten here, I was almost a little sad though too, because I'm like, oh, we're not gonna get to see Constance as much.
Well, it's so funny that you say that, because that is the thing, because you're talking all the time, and then it's like silence. Not that we wouldn't talk about other things, but because all the conversations have been, about the house or what's going next or the loan or things like that. But I do want you to make sure that you guys give yourself a lot of credit, because you did it. Once we, decided that this is what we were going to do, and although, it was a journey, but that's part of the learning process. And, I love that part. I love, where do we start? Where we are now, and those things are really exciting and rewarding for me as well. So, don't ever think like, oh, it's a lot of, that's what I do, and that's what we do also. We, even if you're not 100% ready at the beginning, we'll help you get ready. And so that's why, owning is, something you can control.
Yes.
Because it's yours. And you pay the bills, so you can kind of, manage what happens around you. So again, I'm just so happy for you and excited, and I can't wait for the pool party. I will be here.
Yes, ma'am.
So once it warms up a little bit more, we're going.
It's right around the corner.
Yes.
So,
again, I thank you guys so much. Yes, and I cannot wait.
I know.
That.
Of course.
Yeah. If you need anything at all,
of course,
just give me a call, and we're here to help you every step of the way.
Thank you.
And this is only house number 1, so some years we're gonna,
Okay.
So I'm just so happy.
So are we. Thank you.
You're
so
welcome.
much.
So I'll let you guys get back to packing. But I did want to just come on.